gotta give glory to God. That's you guys have been watching. I've been playing pretty well with this time. So to have these tournaments, gotta be all in. So I've been saying it since I've been back. Coach has given me opportunities to do what I do, and he's been trusting me. And my teammates have been trusting me to take the shots. They're encouraging me to take these shots, and I want to do right by the opportunity that I have, and make them, take them and make them. Coach is always telling me we should. So that's what I did tonight.
Coach, can you add some thoughts on Kenny? It seems that every time you call his name, usually difficult delivers.
That's why he's on the team. Tonight, he helped us with his three-point shooting. Other nights, he helped us with his defense, with his playmaking abilities. It's such a luxury for me as a coach to have a player like Kelly who can do it. And more importantly, he has the humility to accept and play a role. At this stage in his career, if I need him for 5 minutes, he's fine. I'll get good 5 minutes. If I need him for, what was it tonight, 30 minutes or 35 minutes, so be it. And like I said, as one of the leaders of this team, we always talk about his responsibility to lead by example, to model the kind of behavior that we want from the younger players and other players in this team. So, in the end, we go with what's working. And tonight, Kelly's three-point shot, credit to Terra Firma. They came in with a good game plan. They stayed over with our shooters, forcing them to miss those shots. And therefore, their designated helper was their big man. And so that happened to be Kelly's man. And when we figured that out, then we were able to create opportunities for his teammates to drive, and then his man helps. And it was just the ability to kick out to him and Kelly's ability to knock down the open shot.